Hello, this video is being produced to respond to a question I've received regarding container shapes. The question really asks about can we differentiate or change the format of the container shape. So what I've just done is I've selected an activity shape on this process document, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click and go into the properties of this activity shape, and under the general dialog window we're going to select or check the container shape box. Now when we do so, you'll notice that the actual shape, the outside line, has changed. So you can see that a little bit better now. So the question is, can we change how this line appears? We certainly can change it, and the question is whether you change it to something just as a way of differentiating this shape from other shapes. So what we're going to do is just select that shape, go into the properties and select the format. So when we're using a container shape, it's really just sort of a way of differentiating a set of activities, maybe as like a subroutine or a sub-process within the same diagram that we're displaying on the screen. So what we really want to do is make it stand out or make it differentiate from others. So it might be useful for maybe showing a series of steps that might be automatically completed by a system. So what we can do, we can change the color. We can specify whether we want the shape to be a different color or no color at all, by simply going through the style options here. If we want to change the theme color, we can change the theme color, or we could simply say no color. We could also go a little bit further and change the actual lining effect on here. You might have a double line, you might have a triple line, or you might stick with normal. You might also change the line color as a way of differentiating between a normal activity shape or a container shape. You can also specify the thickness of the lines and what type of line it actually is displayed. So hopefully that will give you an idea of the sort of thing that you can achieve using container shapes. Now all we need to do is select the activities that should be inside the container shape and just place them into the container shape. Now when using container shapes, it's all that is needed is to connect the flow to the outer line of the container shape. Hopefully that answers your question. Please feel free to contact me should you have any other questions regarding formatting diagrams of iGrafx. Thank you.